Hello, boys and girls. Miss Chapel here. Today, we're going to take a closer look at solving problems with the start being unknown. We call that problem with an unknown start. Okay, so let's take a look at what that even means and what it looks like. So in this scenario, we have a problem that says unknown plus 24 is equal to 67. The start is unknown, and the change is an add to change. And this is how we solve problems such as this. To find the unknown start, you need to subtract the change, which is 24, from the result, 67. So the unknown number and the change, which is 24, needs to add together to get 67. We cannot add 24 and 67 together. If we did that, we would end up with a number that is greater than 67, and that won't work. Our end result must be 67 in this case. So the number must be smaller than 67 in order to add to 67. So again, the two numbers, the unknown and 24, must add together to be 67. So how do we solve this? We must take the result, which is 67, and we need to subtract 24 out of it. So what you are actually solving is 67 take away 24 is unknown, and that is going to give us that unknown answer. So I have solved this 3 different ways, and I want to go through and talk about each way I solved it. The first way I solved it is with sticker notation. I drew out 67 in sticker notation. 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60, 61, 62, 63, 64, 65, 66, 67. And then I subtracted 24. 10, 20, 1, 2, 3, 4, 24. Then all I had to do was count what was left. 10, 20, 30, 40, 41, 42, 43. So our unknown is 43. But always a good idea to double check your work. And you can do that by solving it a different way, which is what I did here. The next way I solved this is with a number line. I started at 67. Then I subtracted 4 because there's 24, that's 4, 1. So I subtracted 4, I got to 63. Then I subtracted 20 because there are 2 10s here, that's 20. So 63 and 10 less is 53. 53 and 10 less is 43. And so once again, I got the unknown answer of 43. Finally, I solved it using base 10 or place value, however you want to look at it. To do this, I expanded out 67 and 24. So 67 in expanded form is 60 plus 7. 24 in expanded form is 20 plus 4. I'm going to subtract the 10s first. 60 minus 20 is 40. Again, 6 10 minus 2 10. If you know that 6 minus 2 is 4, then you also know that 6 10s minus 2 10s is 4 10s or 40. Then I subtracted my 1. 7 minus 4 is 3. Put that back together. 40 and 3 1s is 43. So you can see no matter how I solved it, I got the same conclusion that the unknown is 43. So what does that mean? That means that 43 plus 24 is equal to 67. So let's go ahead and let's solve another problem just like this. So you'll notice here that I have an equation. I solved it in 4 different ways. Boys and girls, you want to be very comfortable and confident in 2 strategies because you will be asked to prove your response, to show your work, prove your response. And oftentimes you're going to see it said, show how to solve this using 2 different strategies. So you need to feel comfortable and confident with 2 strategies. So I laid out 4 strategies for you. Let's go over them. First off, we have sticker notation. So as I stated in the last slide, in order to solve an unknown start where the change is addition, you need to find the unknown start by subtracting the change from the result. So the result is 89, the change is 36. So we are actually solving 89 minus 36. Sticker notation, I drew it out, 89. Then I took away 36. So you can see here, I crossed off 310. It's 30, it's 310, 10, 20, 30. And then I also crossed out 6 1 because 36, that's 6 1. And what I found was I was left with 53. Again, we want to double check our answer. So we're going to look at the other strategies and we're going to see if they all match. Next up, I have the number line. 89. I started off by subtracting my 1. Again, this 6 came directly from 36, 6, 1. So 89, take away 6 is 83. Then I'm going to subtract my 10s. 10, 20, 30. So 83 to 73 to 63 to finally to 53. So again, with sticker notation and number line, I got the same result of 53. Place value, let's take a look at that. Again, I expanded it out. 89 is 80 plus 9. 36 is 30 plus 6. 80 take away 30 is 50. 9 take away 6 is 3. 50 and 3 is 53. There we go. 3 different strategies, all got the same answer. Finally, we're going to take a look at the old-fashioned way. This is the way your mom, dad, and I all learned how to do math. So this is a strategy. However, what you want to be prepared for is to be able to explain your work here. Just leaving it like this is not explaining your work. It's not showing your strategy. 9 minus 6 is 3. 8 minus 3 is 5. Yes, that's absolutely true. But just make sure you're understanding this is 9 and 6. 9, 1 minus 6, 1. This is not 8 minus 3. This is 80 minus 30. So these two strategies, place value in the old-fashioned way, they really can be tied in together. As long as you're able to explain the old-fashioned strategy using your knowledge of tens and ones, you're golden. So again, boys and girls, I want to challenge you to explore these strategies and find 2 that you feel very comfortable with. Let me know if you need any help with any of these strategies and we'll tackle them. Thank you, boys and girls. Good luck.